Welcome back to new exercise in SolidWorks. Wobbler steam engine. Wobbler is a valveless oscillating steam engine. The engine has no connecting rod and pin on the piston. Wobbler engine helps convert the linear motion of the piston to rotation of the flywheel. Now here we will create each and every part separately and we will assemble at the end, and we will make this simple animation also. So in this tutorial we will make our first part column of Wobbler steam engine. Now this is your Wobbler steam engine drawing. Now I am going to make first part. Just zoom. The first part is column scale 1.2:1. Now if you check, all dimensions are in inches. Okay, and one more thing, you will see these dimensions have too many number of decimals, so I converted all the dimensions in fraction. See, you will see all the dimensions in maximum dimensions in fraction. So let's start this one. So base, we will keep origin point at the base. Overall length 2 and 5 by 8 inch. See here, and we will start from use a revolve boss base feature to make first upper part. We will save this body in two parts, not two parts, in two body. Bottom one is separate body, so it looks more realistic. Now you will see here at top 5 by 8 inch is the diameter, see, and this thickness 1.4 inch. Then same comes here 1.2 inch. This thickness, if you calculate from 1 inch minus 1.4, it's become 1 by 2 inch. Then 5 by 8 inch again, 5 by 16 this corner, because this is tapered, and this corner diameter 3 by 8 inch. Remember this. Then there is one block. This block diameter 5 by 8 inch. Then the corner we have chamfer 0.5 into 45 degree. Okay, let's make this. Then we will see. Now before going to start, we have to change unit. So unit, you can change it from here, edit document unit. Now I want to make unit in fractions. So first go to IPS, see unit in documents property, IPS. Now here make decimal 4 or 5 numbers so that it will be visible for us. And here fraction, according to our drawing there are almost up to 64 fractions, so I am going to use 128 maximum, so it will cover all drawings. Say OK. I am going to choose right plane, sketch. Now I am going to draw one center line. Press escape key to out. Smart dimension. Now put this one. Now this dimension, press 2 space bar, 5 divided by 8. Say OK. Look, these dimensions in fraction. So we are going to use fraction. Activate line tool. Escape key to out. Let's apply these dimensions first. Make sure this is construction line, so select this one and select this line. If move cursor outside, this dimension going to be 5 by 8 inch. See, similarly this one going to be 1 by 2 inch. This is also going to be 5 by 8 inch. And let me choose this corner. This corner 5 by 16 inch. Similarly this corner, and this is going to be 3 by 8 inch. Okay. Okay, there is one square. So let me draw. Okay, let it clear first the height. Smart dimension. Now the height going to be 1 by 4 inch, 1 by 4 inch. Okay. Now this is also going 1 by 4 inch, and distance from here to here 1 inch. See, this is what the distance we have. Now these total distance half inch, so 1 by 2, that's it. Now activate. Now there is an arc, so go back to the point and see, this is going to convert into arc, and place somewhere here, then go something, don't create any relation, then again go back to the point and convert this arc line into arc. Draw one arc, again go to the point and convert this line also an arc. And connect with this. This is the end point. Okay. Let's take little down. So that we will get a close result. Now let's check here. 5 by 8, half inch. Then you come here, there is one arc, you will see closely. Arc, upper point 3 by 8. Now lower point 0.51 inch. See this lower point. Then there is one half circle. There is circle. 3 by 4 is the outside to outside distance. Okay. Then there is a one end to end point 0.59, and the radius, if you want to see, come here. See this arc radius 3 by 20 and this radius 1 by 32. That's why we took maximum number of fractions. Okay, these gaps 3 by 4 and these gaps 1 by 6, 16 inch. See here. So let's do this. Smart dimension first. Let's make half inch. 1 by 2. Okay. Now let's make angle diameter. This diameter 5 by 8 inch. Okay, that's fine. Now distance from here, it's 3 by 8 inch. Fine. Now from here, it's going to be 0.51 inch. It's now press and hold shift key, select this one and this one, and the outside to outside of this curve 3 by 4 inch. That's fine. And also these end points 0.59 inch. Three by 4 inch. Okay, now let's define, okay, this radius. Three by 20 inch. Okay, it's going. Now here we have to create a relation. Hold shift key, select these 2 points, horizontal or vertical. Similarly create these 2 relations so that it looks perfect. Now smart dimension. Now distance from here to here, it's 7 by 16 inch. and this one 1 by 16 inch. Look, drawing is fully defined. Just check. See, this is the actual dimensions, and at bottom there is a one more flange going inside of this flange. You will see here 3 by 8 inch. So let's do this also, 3 by 8 inch. Okay, and this is going to meet at this point. Start from here to here, 3 by 8 inch. That's fine. I'm going to use trim entity and delete this. Now we have perfect drawing. By default, if you check, 3 by 16 inch. Okay, we forget to add one more thing. Now see the corner chamfer is, you will see here, 0.5 into 45. So chamfer we can add later. Revolve boss base feature. Now this is open just because of this construction line. So system asks you, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now by default system took this center line as the axis of revolution. Direction, I want to make full 360-degree body, solid body, so keep here 360 angle. Say okay. Look, see. Now again I am going to choose right plane, sketch, line, draw one vertical line. Make sure these lines are construction line. Again, now start from this end point. This end point and connect with this, because this is going to be another body. Okay, smart dimension. Now select dimension from here to here. Now the bottom dimension 1, press space, 3 by 8. Okay, see. Now there is a chamfer 1 by 16, 45 degree. You will see here, and 1 and 3 by 8 inch. See, a smart angle. First I am going to define angle 45 degree, then select this line, and this is going to be 1 by 16 inch. Now here choose revolve boss base feature. Axis, by default system took this line. We need to make 360 degree a solid body. Here I am going to choose unmerged result. Okay. Now you will see here we have two bodies. So I am not going to make separate body, just to save as a two body. Wherever we required we can take it. Now let me do one thing, edit the color so that it looks more visible. Fine. Now you will see there is a one cutout. This is the right face. You will see this in this side section. This is cut out up to here, 1 by 2. This is the dimensions, cutting dimensions. Then in opposite direction there is one more cutout, 11 by 16. See, distance from here to here, 11 by 16, and this is going to be cut like this up to this face. You will see here in hidden line. Then there is a hole 5 by 16 throughout hole. And here one more hole, here two more hole, 1 by 4 inch, 0.24 from this end, and location 1 by 4 from this face. And there is a 1 by 8 throughout hole. So let's do this. First I am going to choose chamfer 0.5 45 degree, zero point zero 0.05, not see, okay. Now select this face, sketch. Now here let me choose center rectangle, and I want to cut this. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to, hold shift key and select distance from outer side, 1 by 2. See, and this one let's keep any dimensions like 0.5. Okay, even though it should be bigger than this. Even define one temporary length, anything, 1 inch. Hold shift key and select these 2 points horizontal. Now it seems fully defined. Okay. Extrude cut. And here choose up to surface and cut up to this surface. Okay. Look. Now here we miss dimension. It should be from here 1 point, not from this outer face. So simply exit, sketch, and delete this dimension from this. Hold shift key, then make dimension from here, and this is going to be 1.2 inch. Okay. Say okay. See. Now let's make one hole here. Okay, let's sketch, active one hole here, and one hole here also. Smart dimension 5 by 16, and distance from here to this upper edge, one by 4 inch. Okay, now let's make one. This is fully constrained. Now let's make this to a smart dimension. Now this is 1 by 8, 1 by 8 inch, and this distance just half, 1 by 4 from this corner. See, and this is throughout hole. So simply choose extruded cut, and here choose through all. Okay, that's it. And opposite side also we need to make one hole. So I am going to select the same thing, same face, sketch, activate circle, create one circle from this center point, press escape key to out, and activate smart dimension. And this diameter is 1 by 4 inch. Okay, but Location is 0.24 inch away from this face. So simply activate extruded cut. Okay. Start condition change offset. And this is going to be 0.24 inch reverse. See, 0.24 inch from this face to here. And keep end condition all, cut. Now look, see, the hole is created. If you check right plane, section view, okay. If you check, evaluate, measure and select this edge, inches, see, 0.25, 1/4 inch, okay. Now again we need to cut back side, so select this face, sketch. Now again I am going to draw one rectangle, escape key to out. Now let's make little bigger, let's say 1 inch, and this is also defined something like 0.5 inch, okay. Just drag somewhere out, hold shift key, select these 2 points horizontal. Now we need to define a distance. Now distance from outside, select this line, hold shift key and select this outside distance. This is important distance, 11 by 16 millimeter, 16 inch. Look, isometric view, and activate extruded cut feature, reverse, and here choose up to surface and up to this surface, because I want to cut these two only, okay. Look, this is how the shape of our column. Now you will see here 2 holes. These are the inlet and exhaust hole. So this one is exhaust hole and this is inlet hole. So look, 1/16, and this is, you will see here throughout hole, but one hole only 5/16. See the second one, 1/16. Distance 1495. This is the center distance, and height, this is the height. So let's create this. Select this face, sketch. Let me draw one line, make reference line so it makes ease for us. Now this is important distance, and 0 point, this is a height actually, 132561124, okay. And this distance, not this distance from here to diameter, 0.14958, okay. Let's create hole. Smart dimension 1/16. Choose mirror entity, here choose hole, make sure selected copy, mirror about this line, okay. Look, activate extruded cut feature. One hole is for exhaust, one for inlet. So here choose through all, better to activate selected contour and this. Only one hole. Okay. Here select auto select. Look. Now again activate sketch, extrude cut. In selected contour clear, choose only this one. Now here choose blind end condition, and here we have to write 5 by 16. This is the depth. Okay. Look. Okay. I'm going to choose section view. Okay. Now look. This is how the hole is created. Now see, all edges 0.005. All edges have this one. Radius. Okay. So simply going to activate radius, constant type fillet. Here said 0.005 inch radius, symmetric. Now start to choose. Okay, this is another body, so we are not able to select this one, but everywhere we have fillet. Okay, here we don't have. Just say okay. Again activate, and this time select these two. Okay. Now this face keep as it is. Not going to. Now let me save this. Wobbler steam engine, and this is going to be our first part, column. Okay. Now let's apply material. You will see here column AISI 1020. This is steel. So simply right click on material, edit material, go to steel, and here you will find AISI 1020, apply, close. Now this is the material we applied, but we don't want to keep this appearance, so simply go to appearance, scene and decals. In appearance you will see this color by default, double click, then again go to here and directly apply this, so that you will get exactly the same. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more projects in SolidWorks. Next tutorial we will make tomorrow. Thanks for watching.